Hey you guys, it's Erin back here with another video. So before we get into this, go ahead and subscribe. So I just want to show you guys what I use to wash my hair. I use the Curl Mix shampoo. So you'll see, if I ever show you what I'm washing my hair with, you'll see that it's like products that I was using when I was a loose natural, because I have so many products and I just want to use up what I can so that way I don't have to throw everything away. But you can see my locks and how they look while they're wet. I love how I guess lengthened they look. But I use the Earth Supply Shine and Hold Mist to moisturize my locks, and then I like to go in with an oil on my scalp and just moisturize my scalp. So I like to scrunch my hair just to make sure that the moisture and that the products really penetrate my hair. Since the locks are intertwined, I need the moisture to just be in there. So using my Old Faithful Peppermint Tea Tree Oil by BodyWorks. This is the oil I like to use for my scalp. And I got it in my eye. That was a little painful, but if you've ever gotten toothpaste in your eye, that's exactly what it feels like. So of course the show doesn't stop. I'm just gonna keep going with the oil in my eye, but I take that oil and I just make sure I massage it into my scalp, and I like to make sure it's on my edges. I just want pretty much my scalp and my roots to be really moisturized. So then I went in with my new favorite oil, the TGIN Elixir, I believe it is. I already said this before, but it smells so good. Just get it for yourself. I like to take, I think, 2 pumps on each side of my hair. So I kind of split my hair in half, and I put 2 pumps on each side. Doesn't look like I did that this day though, but So let's just have a little moment for my single lock. Do y'all see how long she is? It's almost at bra strap length. That's what Anyways, I'm going in with my Ecostyler Gold Gel. As you can tell by the title, that's what we're here for today. So I decided to just do a light retwist so that's why I chose this gel, because I knew it probably wouldn't give me a heavy hold. But I did a light retwist because this is actually between my actual retwist. So I think this might have been 2 or 3 weeks post my actual retwist. And so I just decided to do a soft retwist with this gel. And I only did some sections in the front and some sections in the back. So I always like to just make sure my middle part is crispy. Make sure it's as straight as at least I can get it. Sometimes my eyes be a little off, but I try to make sure my middle part is straight, and then I go in and start retwisting the front. So it's pretty straightforward. I just take a small amount of gel, and you'll see later on that I felt like I needed more, so I just grabbed some more gel and I put it at the root, and then I retwist and I clip it with a pen. And you'll be able to see what I'm doing better later on. So if any of my locks are like unraveling, I just go ahead and either twist it back down or I'll braid it down depending on like the section. Okay, so not even gonna hold y'all, I took out a lot more to retwist and ended up not even retwisting all that I took out because I got really lazy. But this is like all I decided to retwist, and I'm gonna go sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes like I usually do after I retwist, and here I am after that. So I'll just take down the clips and see the final result. But I will let y'all know the fact, or that I did not like this retwist. It did the job for like, let's say, a week or so, but because I ended up stretching my hair, like my retwist, like I think 3 or 4 more weeks, I ended up doing another soft retwist, but like all over my head, because I realized my roots were like starting to marry, and I was going through and having to like separate every other day, and I was just like, let me just go ahead and retwist, because like do a full retwist. But this, like, I mean, it was okay though. I probably wouldn't do it again, honestly. Maybe if I wanted to do a really soft retwist for like a couple days, I would do it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and comment down a heart if you get to this point in the video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.